FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be talking about something every Forex trader wants to achieve. And that is pretty simple: consistency and profitability. Okay. So obviously if you're a Forex trader, if you're a day trader, if you're any kind of a trader, you know that the road to success can be long and difficult. And it's easy to get frustrated and lose motivation. But the good news is that there are proven strategies and techniques that can help you become a consistent and profitable trader. In this video, we're going to go ahead and share some of the strategies and show you how you can apply them to your trading. Let's go ahead and let's define what we mean by consistency and profitability. In the context of, let's say, Forex trading, consistency in Forex trading means that being able to consistently make profits and achieve your trading goals. Now, this could be making a certain amount of money per month. It could be achieving a specific win rate, or simply being able to trade profitably over the long term. Now, profitability, on the other hand, refers to the amount of money that a trader makes. A profitable trader is someone who is able to generate a positive return on their capital over time. The key point: over time. Not today, not tomorrow, not next week. Over time. Okay? Think long term. How do you become, or how can you become, a consistent and profitable trader? Either Forex trader, day trader, whatever type of trading that you do. So here's some key strategies and techniques that you can apply to your trading that'll help you become consistent and profitable. The first thing is you need to develop a solid trading plan, and most importantly, you need to stick to it. A trading plan is essential for any trader who wants to be successful. A trading plan should outline your trading goals, strategies, risk management rules, and it should also provide a clear framework for making decisions. By having a well-defined trading plan, you'll be able to trade with more discipline and avoid emotional and impulsive decision. This last part is very important. Emotional or impulsive decisions. Okay, how many of us do this? I know I do it sometimes, so this is very important. The next thing is to keep a trading journal. You have to be able to collect data on yourself. The best way to do this is to get a trading journal. The trading journal is going to allow you to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. This is how you become a better trader. Obviously, you need to use risk management. Risk management tools are easy to set up, but sometimes hard to implement for a retail trader. Risk management tools, pretty simple, such as it could be something as stop loss orders to protect you from bigger losses. Or how about using the correct lot size for the actual account? How about the correct lot size so you don't over leverage your account? You need to have some type of a risk management plan that allows you to take losses or helps you control losses that are coming. Because losses are going to be coming. That's a given. That's 100% guaranteed that losses are coming. Losing streaks are coming. How do you control that? That should be within your risk management plan that you make. Learn more about fundamentals. So it's very important to stay up to date on economic news and events that can impact whatever market you choose to trade. So if you're trading, let's say, Forex, obviously you want to pay attention to what news is coming out for whatever pairs that you're trading, whatever currency pairs. So very important to learn more about fundamentals and how they impact the actual markets. Clear example right now that we're going through is the Federal Reserve, raising interest rates, trying to get control of inflation, quantitative tightening, quantitative easing, all that are all fundamentals. Okay, and you can literally see what it does to the price. We're going to talk about fundamentals in a later video. I'm going to break down literally everything that comes down to fundamentals, so you can get a better understanding of what it is, what you should be paying attention to, what really doesn't matter. All right. Next thing is control your emotions. Don't let your emotions control your trading decisions. It's important to remain disciplined and stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. The best way, guys, that I can think about when it comes to controlling your emotions is this. And this is what I tell everyone in our mentoring and everyone that I talk to about this particular topic is, if you have a solid trading plan that you've back tested and you know that it works and you know that it spits out a certain percentage over an extended period of time, you stick to the plan. Trading becomes very black and white. It's either there or it's not there, and that in turn helps you control your emotions. We are all guilty of sometimes letting our emotions get the best of us, especially when it comes to trading. So always trade with the long-term perspective. Okay, always trade with the long-term perspective. Think about the future. Do not think about just today or next week. Remember that you're trying to do this for an extended period of time, meaning especially if you're trying to do this for a career and this is what you want to do. You want to quit your job, you want to be a full-time trader. Okay, great. Always trade with the long term in mind. So meaning there's no one trade that should blow your account. There's no reason to over leverage your account on one specific trade. There's no trade out there that's going to be worth doing that over. It just does not make sense. You're only hurting yourself, because that one trade that you either use an incorrect lot size or that you over leverage could literally ruin all of the gains that you've made when you actually followed your trading plan. You had all these great things happening when you were in control of your emotions and sticking to your trading plan, and then you lose control of your emotions. You make a bad trading decisions, whether it be over leveraging the account or using the wrong lot size or not using a stop loss, and all of that progress that you've made gets thrown out the window by one trade. And then think about what happens after that. When you take that big loss, what happens to your self-confidence? What happens to your emotions? All of these things, guys, you have to keep in mind of how important it is to control your emotions and always look at it from a long-term perspective. Learn from someone more experienced than you. I know that it can be very difficult to find someone to learn from in the perspective of someone that actually knows what they're doing or that they do this for a living, because you can be bombarded by different personalities on YouTube or anywhere else, that claim to have, millions upon millions of dollars, but they really don't. So take the time to really be specific to whoever you learn from, okay, and learn from someone that fits your trading style and most importantly has your best interest in mind. Continue to backtest on third-party soft. Backtesting is going to be one of the biggest ways that you'll learn from mistakes. The most important thing that you could do besides creating a trading plan, having risk management, is backtesting, because that's going to allow you to make all of the mistakes that you can make. Hopefully you'll make them via backtesting. Or if you want to do forward testing, you could do that as well on a demo. But important, the one thing that I could tell you about backtesting is that it's going to make you a better trader. So whatever backtesting software you use, just make sure that the backtesting software is something that you like, whether it be from TradingView or third-party software companies that make backtesting software. There are a few of them out there that are really good. I would just recommend just make sure that you get one that can go back 5-10 years. And then also when the replay capabilities come in, does it actually replay the entire 15-minute candle, let's say? Or does it just show you candle, candle, candle? Like TradingView, for example, just shows you candle, candle, candle. Doesn't show you the actual 15-minute long, construction of that candle. And I think that right there is huge and will be a huge benefit to you guys by, using that kind of a third-party software. If you can't trade on a demo account successfully, guys, how can you ever trade a live account? If you can't make profit on a demo account successfully, you're not ready for a live account. Okay, so it is important to practice, obviously, on a demo account before trading with real money, because this will help you become more familiar with, number one, the market, and improve your trading skills in the form of allowing you to make the mistakes and not have the repercussions of losing actual money. It's okay to make mistakes. We're all going to make mistakes. And by the way, when you're really good at demo and you transition over to a live account, you're still going to make mistakes. That's going to happen no matter what. So keep these key factors in mind when you're trying to become a consistent and profitable trader. Overall, becoming a consistent and profitable Forex trader or day trader requires dedication, it requires discipline, and a willingness to learn. It's not an easy task, but with the right approach and the right mindset, it is possible to achieve success in Forex market or any other type of markets. You just got to want it bad enough, and you got to put in the time, not 6 months. Think again along the side of long-term perspective. If you want to do this for 20 years, it's going to be longer than 6 months for you to learn how to do it correctly, profitable, consistently, and professionally. Just like I always say, it takes years to become a lawyer, it takes years to become a doctor. Any job that you want to do at a high level that pays a lot of money takes years to develop and perfect. So keep that long-term perspective in mind. All right, guys, I hope this video brought you some value and it brought you some more insight into what it's going to take to be consistent and profitable. If you like this type of content, guys, please give me a like on this particular video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next one. Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to make a quick video. If you've ever thought about joining our mentoring program, this is the time to do it. We have decided to extend out the sale through December 31st. So you get a whole nother month to be able to get in on this masterclass at 50% off of the entire mentorship program. All right, this will never happen again. So this is the time. If you've always wanted to join the mentoring program, which is a lifetime membership, this would be the time. The links are in the video description, guys. I hope to see you in the mentoring program.